Hi, my name is Misty and I work with the University of Illinois Extension. I'm here today to show you some healthy recipes, and the recipe I chose today is chicken fajitas. Wash your hands with soap and water for 20 to 30 seconds. Dice one large green pepper. Dice one large tomato. And dice one large onion. Shred 2 cups chicken meat and place on a sheet pan with the diced onion and peppers. Add oil and spices and mix thoroughly with clean hands. Place in the oven and broil until vegetables begin to brown, about 5 minutes. Serve with tortillas, lettuce, tomatoes, and shredded cheese. So this is our end product, and I hope you and your family enjoy it.